You feel as if that was appropriate?
To chase a student down to get into class.
And then what happened from there?
I put him in the classroom.
It looks as if you drugged him, and then it also looks like there was a kick involved.
A kick?
Yes. So,
this is crazy.
You know exactly the answer. Are you gonna?
A fourth grade teacher is sitting across from an officer, calmly explaining herself. I had a hand on him. That's it. But the officer's already seen the hallway camera, and what it shows doesn't match a single word she's saying. By the time this stop is over, she's not just being questioned. She's being arrested, and the mother of the student she dragged is about to hear, in detail, exactly what her son went through. This is one of those body cam calls where the gap between what someone says happened and what the footage actually shows becomes impossible to ignore.
Come here, Ruby. Do you have any idea why I'm talking to you? I asked you to stand by for a minute. Okay. I'm getting some information that there was an incident that took place today in the hallway. I'm gathering more information on that. But until I do that, which I'm getting now, I need you to sit tight. And you're not going to be free to leave right now. But that's what the incident that took place in the hallway with one of the students.
Correct, but what am I being detained for?
I just told you. Because of the incident that took place in the hallway with one of the students.
I understand that.
So that's why you're being detained. That's why you're not free to go, because I'm looking into this matter.
Okay, but for what, though? I'm trying to understand what's being investigated.
The incident of what took place.
Right. The incident of what took place. Yes, I understand that, but
okay.
What is being investigated with the incident?
The handling of it.
Okay.
Do you feel as if that was appropriate?
To chase a student down to get into class?
And then what happened from there?
I put him in the classroom. He laid out on the floor, but I did put him. I put him in.
Did you drag him?
I had a hand on him, absolutely, and he was resisting. Yes. I didn't drag him.
Okay.
He was on his feet.
And that's what I need to look further into. But I'm going to tell you, preliminary, it looks as if you drugged him, and then it also looks like there was a kick involved.
A kick?
Yes. So.
This is crazy.
So for right now, I'm going to sit in here.
Can I ask who asked for it to be investigated?
It's involving a kid.
Well, no, I understand that, but I'm just asking.
District administration.
Okay.
Okay. This is coming from the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Am I allowed to have my mother?
How old are you?
I'm 26.
Okay.
She's in the building.
Have her what?
Huh?
Have her what? Like
have
with you?
Yes.
No, she can obviously be in the building. But the reason why is if you were telling me you were 17, then obviously it goes a different route. But if you're 18 and above, obviously you're considered adult. So no, she can be wherever she is, but can she be in here with us present? No. And we're not going to stay in here right now. I just obviously didn't want to discuss this in front of everybody.
I would rather it be discussed in front of everybody else, so I have somebody else witness to the conversation.
Well, there's a big witness right here that's being recorded.
Okay.
And there will be another officer here momentarily, but unfortunately, no, not your mom.
All right.
Okay. You have a driver's license and ID with you?
It's in the classroom.
All right, just sit there for a second. I need to hang the phone up for right now. You are officially...
I can't be on the phone because I'm being detained.
What's up? Are you on?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. I need to sit tight in here with her for a minute. I'm going to be right next door in this office.
Okay.
She's being detained. She's not free to go, but I obviously don't have her in handcuffs right now.
Okay, cool.
She can't be on the phone, can't make contact with anybody.
You still need 225 come?
No, when she gets here, you'll be good.
Alright, cool.
Did he give you...
He said he didn't know anything that was going on.
Okay.
Just that we were switching. He had to go out, I come in.
I'm 1 minute.
Okay.
You're on, right?
Huh?
You're on, right?
I am on now, yeah.
All right. This is what's getting ready to happen, young lady. We're making sure the office is clear. You're going to be taken into custody. You're going to be charged with at least 1 count of battery and probably child endangerment. I will go over more with what exactly the charges will be when I get to the station. This officer is going to put you in handcuffs. She's going to obviously pat you down. She's going to transport you through the intake process when we get to the station. When you all get to the station, I'm going to finish talking to building administration and district administration, and then I'll be also the parent of the child, and I'll be in to talk to you when I get done with that. You have any questions for me?
Nope.
Okay. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. Just so you know, Dr. Hendricks is clear out the office, so no one's going to see you unless
I
somebody...
don't really care, to be honest.
Okay, I just wanted you to be aware.
Hold on, man.
You said you have ID, but it's where?
It's in my mother's classroom, so when you go in there, tell her you arrested me, too.
I just gotta check and make sure you don't have
I'll
any
let-
weapons or
I'll
any
let you
objects
tell her
that we
that.
can't have in the car, okay? Okay, I'm gonna hold on to your cellular phone, okay? But you'll get it back, of course. Okay. We'll get you locked
Are
out.
you...
I'm parked like right in front of the door.
Having your ID will help expedite this process. Are you good if I get it from your mom?
Not unless you want to tell her that you arrested me.
You're an adult, so
I don't care if I'm an adult
Okay,
or
then
not.
you sit overnight then. I'm trying to help you out, young lady.
I am going to call a lawyer.
Hold on. I've been nothing but cool with you.
You
had
barely explained
I did
the
explain to you.
incident
I
to me.
did
You're
explain
talking about an incident in the
that took
hallway,
place with
and
a
I
kid.
asked
Yes.
for more details, and
There
you're
was-
like, an incident in the hallway. An
Okay.
incident in the hallway. An incident in the hallway.
And
I'm
then-
asking
then-
for more details,
then
and you keep saying an incident.
Are you going to let me talk, or are you going to keep talking over me?
I wasn't done talking. You were trying to cut me off, but I'm done. Don't worry about it. I'm done.
I explained it was an incident with you dragging a kid. I stated that twice. You know exactly the
After
incident.
I asked for clarification.
Okay, and when I
More
knew
than
that,
once.
okay, but when I knew that, I explained that to you.
But I had to ask more.
Okay,
than
it doesn't
once.
matter how many times. Did you get the information? Did you receive the information you were looking for? I told you I was
Escort me out.
I was investigating an incident that I was informed of. I told you I needed to get more details. When you asked for further, I told you that. So I'm going to ask you this part one more time. Having your ID will help expedite this. Do you want me to get it from your mom, or would you like to sit in jail longer?
Actually, it's in my car. Now I'm thinking about it. It's not even in there, so.
Okay. You might do
My
a lot.
purse is in the car. So
you might do
my
a-
car. So.
Does your mom have access to that?
If she has my keys, yeah.
Does she have your keys?
She might, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know because I let my sisters drive my car, so I don't know if she has my keys or if my sisters took my car.
Okay. All right. You mind live scanning?
Yeah, I was gonna do that anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. You just can walk. I'll walk with you though.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry about all that. Just trying to get everything squared away. Hang on. Did you speak with your son?
Yes.
Is she okay?
Yeah, he was saying that his arm was hurting. I had to go to work, so he don't get off the bus until after I'm already gone. So my daughter was there, so he was telling her what happened. When I called, she put him on the phone to tell me.
And what did he tell you?
He said that she threw him against the wall. She dragged him in class, and then she kicked him in class. He said he don't know if she was kicking his leg so she can shut the door. I don't know if he was not letting her shut the door or what. I don't know. So
Did
I'm
she drug
assuming if that happened in the hallway, then pulling in the other stuff, they got cameras. They should be able to see that. But in the class, he said that she kicked him.
Did he say how many times?
No, I didn't ask none of that. She said she was kicking me. So I'm trying to figure out today what happened, you know.
I was able to review the video.
Is it what he said?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. Very,
She
very.
must have been upset.
I don't know, upset, maybe potentially frustrated. I mean, obviously, I don't know. I didn't see much of the preceding. What I saw they were standing in the hallway. Your son was another kid, and then I believe it was 3 adults. They were walking down. They stopped to have a little bit of a conversation. Then, for whatever reason, your son started to run, as she said, she starts running behind him. She catches up to him, grabs him by like the collar of the shirt. The way it appears, obviously, I'm not there, I can't hear, and you see it, but the way it appears, the momentum for catching up to him and grabbing him by the shirt, I think is what actually made him fall to the ground. It's not as if she like picks him up and throws him down or, does one of those motions. I think it was she was running, grabbing him, and then the momentum of her trying to bring him back. I think he hit the ground based on that. But unfortunately, after he does hit the ground, she doesn't stop with him and just hold him or come right. She continues down the hallway.
Dragging him.
Yes, by the shirt and the arm area.